everybody. So today we are playing CarX on PC. Wanted to make a S13 Coupe, but I'm gonna do things a little bit differently here. As you can see, it's a R34. If I click this, go all the way to the end, see this little guy right here, click that, and that is going to give me this S13 Coupe. It's probably ported over from Assetto Corsa. Looks kind of like the drive time S13 Coupe. Don't know for sure if that's what it's called or not, but we're gonna go in, make some changes, like the little Corona bottle, change up the handbrake so it could be like the one that's on my rig, and then we're gonna head over and change up the exterior a little bit. Kind of crazy what you can do with these mods, changing literally everything, and the wheel selection is just unmatched, man. So here you'll see me just go through some wheels, pick out some pretty cool stuff. So I think this looks pretty good. I think we should head over and slap on a quick little tune, make this thing drive decently. Gearing's a little off for fourth gear. There you can see it, it's way off. Now we're gonna head over and you know what, I think I want to paint the car really quickly, so we'll go and do that. Now that we're all done with that, let's head over to Drift Playground. see, this thing looks pretty sick. The track, the car, everything. CarX on PC is where it's at, man. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.